I am shooting a Matthews Vertex, and I have a black gold 3-sight pin. I got an 8-inch flatline Matthews stabilizer. My draw length is right at 28. I'm not a big fan of the longer stabilizers. I'm kind of a minimalist. I'm going to go over my arrow weight and stuff here in a second. My arrows are Sonic KE Knock On arrows. Recently switched to these a few weeks ago. They're much faster, and I'm going to show you that here momentarily. And my release that I use is a Knock On Silverback release. This is a game changer. Took a little while to get used to. If you're going to get one, I would highly recommend taking a few weeks to just reset everything. With the basic setup with my Vertex, very minimalist approach. I'm shooting tight groupings all the way back to 60. I forgot to mention that I do have a 2x lens on my scope. I could go higher. I don't want to have to get a clarifier for my peep. I am going to reduce the size of my peep though to tighten that up. Right, so the Sonic KE by Knock On, total weight of my setup is 404.6 grains. I may get a target bow, and if I do, I don't think I'll ever get rid of this Vertex. I'm thinking about getting the TRX 34. That would be easy to put my Vertex down, pick that one up, vice versa, pretty seamlessly. And my field points just at 99.2 grains. And let's see how fast this thing is shooting. .273. Total poundage on my Matthews Vertex is 55, right at 55 pounds. I think I went from 267 to 273 when I changed out my arrows to the Sonic KE arrow. So that's where she's at.